Hi, happy Dussehra to everyone. So,
Happy Dussehra.
wish you everyone a very happy and prosperous next year. Let's see how Corona deals with us, right? So, uh, hopefully, everyone has got healthy life ahead. Meeting new people. Okay. Let me, yeah. Okay, so I'm setting up the data for us. And in meantime, admitting everyone who's joining. Okay, so few things which we saw last week, right? And okay, so I just close the camera now. Okay, yeah, happy Dussehra to everyone. Right, so basically, see, we had 2 to 3 calls last week as well, and of which I think Ultra Chem it met the target of 4600. It made a high of 47, right? 4740 was the high, I think. Then we also saw Hiromoto giving us good money. So it didn't went to 30,000, 3,000, but it did go to, I think, a low was around 3,060 or 65 around, right? So that was still one of the trade, and I think it's still open. We'll see now what can be done next in that, as well as we saw still something, in the other sectors like Nifty and Bank Nifty, we were around the same lines again and again. Okay, so we are still not crossing those levels which we have kept here. So far, I think we are looking into the markets as the markets have behaved as well, right? So this time, and let me just make this ready for us. Okay, so still this remains the same, only resistance and support will remain the same. I will not get that out. Okay, we'll have to just remove this. So this is last to last week. But I would really, want if any one of you has taken the trades which were recommended, and if you can share your experience related to that, because it really helps us to keep going like this. And we are also planning for more things on the cash segment if we can do that. Okay, so right now, yes, we did have one of the trade like Renko system. Okay, and currently I'm also viewing Ashapuram Mines. Okay, so that is another stock which is in hit list right now. So we'll discuss that stock as well today. The only stock I think which didn't even trigger or which didn't even went in our direction was Asian Paints. So we'll have to see whether the bearish setup is still there and now where can be the entry. Okay, so that is still as is. We'll have to see whether it still has the same thing or not. Okay. Meantime, there are a few things out here. Okay, thanks for cash segment guidance plan. Yeah, we will be doing that. For people who have got voice issue, I think you need to select, एक minute, select device audio on left corner of Zoom. Okay, so that is what it is. So let's start with it. So Gopesh, I think you'll have to do this. For voice, you'll have to do this. This is for Gopesh actually. So yeah, see over here you have to select in this icon. You'll have to select microphone or device audio wherever you are, right now listening to. You need to select your speakers right. Okay. So here we start. Let's see what's there for us now. Okay. So what do we see on Nifty first? Let's go to the actual page of Nifty. Okay. And Adani puts Nifty. Okay. So we are at around 60 support here, and we are struggling to cross this level here. Now this level here on daily also coincides with the gap here. Okay, so this is very critical part to be closed. Okay, so this needs to be closed so that Nifty can make another high. Okay, so this is where now we can expect Nifty to go provided it closes the gap. And so much of clustering around this area means either or is possible. Okay, you should not see either this is bullish or bearish. It's right now 50-50 and anything is possible from this area right now. Okay, so this doji has also got good uh, so this doji out here has got good volumes. So the high of this doji needs to be closed. Okay, and this needs to be crossed with closing basis. So it's around 11,980 is the high for this, and we need a close above it. As simultaneously, this is around 1280 or 1280 is the close. 12080. So above that, if we close the gap, and then there is nothing to stop us reach 12300. Okay, or maybe just the all-time high of Nifty. Okay, so that is where we are right now, and that gap is also on weekly, and weekly also has got first 60 support now after going below 60 and now taking 60 support, but it also has got a 3 bar bearish divergence. Okay, so this close is 929 and this is 934. So it's a clear cut bearish divergence setup 3 bar. Okay, between this candle and this candle. There was also bearish divergence setup between this candle and this. So there was a 7 bar, now 9 bar, as well as 3 bar bearish divergence. So there is bearishness on weekly charts for which the entry on the short side should be below the low of this doji on weekly basis, and it can take up till this level. Okay, so this can be the target if we go short. Okay, and it can then further go down if it continues till this. So 10,800 can be the least max target on the downside, because then there is support of gaps out here. Okay, range shift is there, but range shift is not prominent because this is very small range shift. Okay, it's not a decent range shift here. Okay, so it's not a prominent range shift. See, this can be considered as good support after a good time up. Okay, so if you have something like this, it's a purely a range shift, but then see it falls down. After a long time, if it takes support, it is good. But this right now we are not seeing that. Okay, it does not have convincing up above the 60 as well. Okay, so it's not even cross 65, 64 only, and here it is bearish divergence as well. So range shift to बहुत छोटी चीज है. I would ignore range shift right now. Okay, but let's see whether it goes down from here, because it's at gap resistance. It's been resisting it since the last 2 weeks. Okay, and there is another gap out here. ओके, सो 12,250 के आसपास में भी एक गैप है, तो ये दो गैप उसको क्रॉस करना ज़रूरी है. ओके, सो वीकली वी सी सम bearishness on index. Okay, let's see monthly. So monthly it is moved here. This is where it is going to be stopped. As well as if you look at the RSI on monthly, it is coming towards 57. So if it comes till 60 also, it should be okay. Okay, so there is chance that we might see it coming up till a new high and then have a bearish divergence on monthly. Okay, so there is a chance that even if it makes a new high, it won't be a sustainable new high. Okay, it is showing weaknesses in the RSI levels, tiredness, as you say on that. Okay, and this can be dangerous. Okay, so people may be thinking of a V-shaped recovery. It can be a perpendicular fall as well after the recovery is done. Okay, so we need to be very, very cautious about the trend now in the market. Okay, we are approaching key levels, we are at resistance, and we need to see how the market behaves here. Okay, see, it will be a surprising if it touches a new high and keeps going in one directional. Okay, see, आज का hot topic आजकल everyone must have seen Harshad Mehta the scam 1992, right? One-sided movement, even when there is no expectation in the market, is a bubble. Okay, so and that bubble blast can hit us badly. Okay, so you need to be very, very cautious now, because this is just moving without much support. Okay, and there are only few stocks which are right now flying higher. Okay, so need to be very, very cautious, because technically also we are approaching good resistance levels. Okay, and we need to see if there is any confirmation on those side, right? So then I'll just say Nifty daily and weekly at 60 support, but at gap resistance, and weekly has 3 bar bearish divergence setup. Okay, so weekly has got this for us, setup, and monthly approaching 60. Okay, so this is going to be the cautious part of Nifty. Okay, because higher time frame will rule, and if higher time frame is going to 60, it will be resisted. Okay, it's a key level, and at least for one time it will be respected, it will be acting as resistance. Okay, so you need to be very, very careful there. Okay, resistance level right now, I will remove this because it's acting as support. Okay, but then too, it's not a major support, so I can just put right now as um, 19980 is one level. Okay, 19980 is one level. Second level is 1280, and then this is going to be the level. Support can be now taken right now as 11650, 11440, and 11100. So this is not, nothing changes here. But yes, we have crossed one resistance of 11800. But since we are very close to it, I'm not going to consider that as support, because it's not the convincing breakout. Breakout on support or resistance has to be with a huge green candle, and we don't see that green candle here. Okay, you don't have any convincing breakout still here, so I will not consider that that has been crossed. Okay, so 11980, yes, is going to be the resistance level right now. Okay, where we are right now, so around 50-60 points from here there is a good resistance, and then there is, so because if you look at this is where we are resisting. Okay, and it's a huge gap. Okay, so this needs to be filled. Now if tomorrow we see a gap up opening about 1280, then it is a different thing. Okay, because it's a weekly gap, needs to be filled with a weekly gap. Okay, and then only we can think of crossing this and then making a new high. So now this is going to be very, very critical, and there is already a 3 bar bearish divergence. Okay, so let's wait and watch what confirms. But little bit my view is on the bearish side. So let's see whether it confirms on that side or not. Yeah, full gap active resistance, right? Then let's see Bank Nifty. Okay, so Bank Nifty has got another view on that. Okay, there is you can see 64 and 66, it has actually negated the bearish divergence. Okay, there was earlier here and here there was bearish divergence, but this candle negated it and then it is staying sideways. Okay, so now Bank Nifty has got some plus points that it does not have any bearishness yet, but we need to be cautious at this level again because it's at resistance of price. Okay, so 25,200 or 25,270, which it touched earlier, can be acting as resistance because that is where you can see this gap. Okay, so this gap is critical. Okay, it's a huge gap here. Okay, and that can be also the same part resisting here. Okay, so that can be one thing. Okay, so daily is at gap resistance. Weekly is approaching 60 as well as upper band resistance. You can very clearly see that. Okay, and it's also at gap resistance over here. See, it was resisted at 25,200 because of the gap here. Okay, so it also had a gap here. So even weekly is at gap resistance. Okay, so this is still acting as a resistance for us. So we need a close about this. And monthly took 40 support, so monthly is looking good, but we need now the month to close above 46.23. Okay, this RSI level 46.23 should be kept higher than this, so this month candle should now not go down. Okay, because if it goes down and if the close goes below 23.7 क्या है ये 23.743 and the RSI still remains around 46, then we might have an NRD setup here. Okay, so that can be very very critical. So we need the Bank Nifty to sustain this growth out here if it has to keep going higher. Guys, is everyone able to hear? Because I think Gopej, when I'm using phone, voice is not coming. Yeah, because you need to select device audio. So that is where you are failing, Gopesh. Yeah, so I can find it. You can't find it. I mean, it has to be somewhere here. See, something like this. Okay, and even on phone there would be settings. So in settings, you'll have to go to audio and do it. Okay. So now let's write down on Bank Nifty as well. So Bank Nifty daily above 60. Okay, but daily and weekly at gap resistance.
सर वो निफ्टी रेजिस्टेंस आपने 19980 लिखा है, वो 11980
हाँ
चाहिए
हाँ
या
हाँ
19?
11 सर हाँ हाँ 19,980 तो फिर न्यू हाई हो गया। तो रिलायंस 4,000 रहेगा, 4,000 भी नहीं 5,000 रहेगा, तो ज़्यादा ही डाल दिया क्या मैंने? हाँ 8 9, ओके दैट वाज अ मिस्टेक। ओके, अच्छा सराफ सर वो बताने का ट्राई कर रहे थे। गॉट इट। हाँ ओके। मल्टी करोड़पति। Right, so now let's see. So weekly at gap resistance, okay, and monthly has bounced from 40. Okay, तो इतना हो चुका है. Okay, now let's see resistance 24,000 नहीं है. Now resistance is actually see 24,800 is acting as resistance, उसके ऊपर नहीं जा रहा था. Okay, दूसरा resistance है 25,200. Okay, and then the resistance is 25,650. Okay, अभी support में we can now have 24,000. Okay, इसको मैं इधर डालूंगा. Uh, 23,500 and 22,800. Okay, so now the monthly expiry can be between 22,800 to 25,650. So this can be the wide range of this monthly expiry. Okay, so 650 से 22,800 के बीच में हम सोच सकते हैं expiry को. Now let's see Nifty IT. Okay, so Bank Nifty we were doing. So Bank Nifty options training, by the way, is there on 8th of November. Okay, so anybody who wants to spread the word can do that. It's going to be full day training online only. Right, so it's going to be the same thing which almost every one of you have already done. The Bank Nifty options or the intraday training. Right, it's been planned for 8th of November. Now let's see, IT is now not looking to me as golden sector, okay, but it is at 60 support and gap support. See, it is at gap and 60 both. Okay, so that is one. So now here also it has got some, oh, okay, so there is some correction in plan on this, but yet monthly is looking at all-time high. Okay, so looks good on monthly basis. IT is still looking bullish. Okay, there can be some retracement here on weekly and daily. Okay, so daily is also at support actually. 60 support, weekly is quite above 60, so there can be some chance of retracement. Let's see. Okay, I think someone has pointed out, sir, exact gap range बताइए please. Got it. It's 4 bar PRD setup on daily. 4 bar PRD setup. हाँ, but ये तो बहुत छोटू छोटू है. It has got PID setup, Sandeep, but it is very small. So it will be till here only. There is not bigger range also. Okay, so we'll have to see IT stocks. But right now, yes, it is at 60 support. So as per RSI strategy, daily at 60 support and weekly, monthly above 60. It's anyways a good mistake, right? So daily at 60 support, weekly and monthly above 60. So in a way, it's a golden sector because now it's not at all-time high, but golden sector for us. Okay. Let's look at the other thing. कौन आया कौन आया कौन आया? इंफ्रा भी हम लोग देखते रहते हैं, तो इंफ्रा को भी एक बार देख ही लेते हैं. It's trying to form a bullish candle at 20 MA. Here also it's trying to cross 20 MA, so we need to see whether it's now getting successful to come up till here. 60 resistance and upper band. So there can be some reversal in the infra stocks. Huh? So it's at resistance, see 60 resistance, okay, as well as upper band resistance. So this can be, some retracement now. Or this can be the upper side. Let's see what it does. Let's see FMCG. FMCG was looking bad last week as well. And even this week it is still at 40. So last week it was at 40. Now also it is at 40. Okay, the only thing is weekly was resisting. You see here again it is at 20 MA resisted, and still you see doji at price support actually, and 47 RSI. So this still has got a place to come down to here. So there can be some correction if it breaks the low of doji. Okay, so this is still there, but I still think it is going to be sideways for some time. And monthly has resisted 60, and now also see if the month closes below 20 MA, then yes, there is going to be some correction in FMCG. Okay, then it will come till here. Same actually. अभी भी same ही है, sideways है. So FMCG sector has gone sideways actually. All time frame are between 40-60. Okay, so you can say all time frames between 40 and 60. Okay, with daily at 640 support daily. ये कैसे on हो गया? Daily at 40. Okay, weekly and monthly around 20 and okay, so we now need to see whether it resists or not, but I'm looking this as a sideways sector. Okay, that's why I was keen for shorting Asian Paint, but Asian Paint has not given still an entry yet. So we'll have to see that stock very clearly here. Okay, yeah, range shift is already there. It broke 60 since then it has resisted it. Right, so that's true. So yes, Sandeep, you are getting that. Nifty Pharma again, see daily is around lower band and 40. ये भी पूरा सेक्टर आई थिंक वैक्सिंग आएगा करके सबको लटका के रखा है. So this is also at support and 60 support, 59.46. So now we need to see whether it takes the support or not. Okay, because this is going to be very critical. There is also some PRD here between this doji here and this candle. Okay, so this again gives me, that time of pharma is looking okay to me, and it is also, see, it is still at the cup support, by the way. ये अभी भी कप सपोर्ट पे ही है. वीकली का जो कप था वो कप के सपोर्ट पे अब तक कप तोड़ा नहीं है उसने. एंड इवन इफ यू सी दिस कैंडल एंड दिस, ये मंथ कहाँ एंड होता है ना, उसके बेसिस पे देयर कैन बी अ मंथली पीआरडी एज वेल. दिस इज स्टिल ओके. ओके, इधर इसको सपोर्ट भी है एक्चुअली. सी लुक एट दिस, and look at this. Okay, so it is right now at support around and above 60. Okay, so this is okay at 60, this is okay, and this is at 40. So this sector is looking okay to me because as per RSI strategy 2A 40 60 60 है इसमें. Okay, so let's see that. So daily around 40, weekly and monthly about 60. Okay, okay, so this is looking good sector wise. Okay, so pharma is looking okay. 8 बार PRD इसलिए ज़्यादा डाला नहीं है मैंने. 8 बार is too bigger. Okay, we need PRD should be 7. 7 से ज़्यादा मैं ज़्यादा इंटरेस्ट नहीं रखता हूँ उसमें. So yes, there is weekly PRD, but we'll have to wait for a huge confirmation also. Okay, so 8 बार PRD है ये, तो उसका ब्रेकआउट इज हियर समवेयर. ओके, सो ये ब्रेकआउट बहुत बड़ा है और उसके बाद तुम्हारा टारगेट बहुत छोटा है. Okay, so breakout के लिए you need the trend line, and the trend line is this only. There is nothing else setting up here. Okay, and let's see the last sector, auto फटाफट. किधर ये किधर है? Okay, so auto has got some bounce on Friday. Okay, and we all knew that Maruti did good or top bottom by entry दी दिया, and I think almost 200 points it is giving us. Okay, but let's see the main part of it, where it can be a showstopper is this. Okay, it's around 60. Okay, so around 60 and around uh, the resistance out here is also coming up. So 80 to 50 जो उसका अभी तक का हाई है, उधर ही वो आके अटक सकता है, या it can go beyond it. We don't know, so we need to wait. Okay, so this is one level where it can act as resistance. Okay, second is weekly. Weekly shows a hammer at 60. So this is looking good. A hammer here, a small candle you can say. So again we need this to be closed. 20 to 850 needs to be crossed. Okay, and if it crosses, then we might see some point of celebrations for the auto companies. Okay, so then this can come up till here, and this is also at the same level. Right, so we need this also to be pushed up. So let's wait and watch. Auto sector looks okay to me. Okay, so daily approaching 60, weekly at 60, and monthly is neutral. Okay, daily approaching 60 resistance, weekly at 60 support. So high time frame should rule, and monthly is neutral yet. Okay, so this is what the sectors tells to us. Now let's see the Hero Ultratech. I think it has given almost 20% from where we saw it, and we recommended it at around 39.50 was the buy, right? So the buy was actually triggering here. This was the reason for entry at 39.55. This candle which was in making on monthly, and mainly it was at this levels. Okay, so it was, that's why it was a buy about this. So I think 39.55 was the buy with 38. This was the earlier stop loss, and from that it has just gone one-sided. And see the high it touched was almost 47.35. Okay, so that is where it has gone up to. So almost from 39.50 to 47.50, so 800 points in a month, right? So this was a good research you can say on that. Now I think it has got time to retrace. Look at this. Okay, so it is around the highs where it has been resisted again and again. Okay, so this can act as a showstopper now. So this can be some retracement here now. Okay, so this is where Ultra can come back. So anybody is holding should get out, because there is going to be surely some retracement here now. Yeah, there it is. It is. We will come to Maruti. Wait. Okay, and even see it resisted actually monthly 60, maybe during the high it made. Okay, so this is where it is. So this is what even Nifty can do. Okay, it can approach 60 and then resist that. Okay, so we need to be careful, because these are the levels where the stocks are going towards the high of their lifetime and they are now getting resisted. Okay, so be careful out here in this range. So this is one of the stock. ACC was also one of the flyers, and it has again come up till almost 1600, and we need to see where it is right now. Okay, so it has been at the trend line resistance. We need this to be crossed if we want it make new high. Okay, volumes are looking good in this frame. Weekly is also at resistance, you can see that, and it's with good volume here. So now if the high cross you buy, if the low breaks you go short. Simple. Okay, and it's like a spinning top type of a candle. It has got wigs on both the side and body in the center. And it already shows bearish pattern evening star at resistance on daily. So daily shows you the direction and they are showing that they are at resistance already, right? So there can be some fall in the cement stocks in the coming week. It depends. See, volumes are high because the result day volume it is. See, it is the result day volume. So if the result day low breaks, it is gone. Then the volume has no significance. If this low is not been defended, that means that volume was to just get along the money of the profit from the results. That's it. It's a result day volume. It's not any day else. You need to be careful with these volumes. Okay, these are not the volumes to enter. This may be the volume to book the profits after the results, because look, the volume was getting from here. Okay, so this was the entering volume, and this can be the exhaustion volume. So be very, very careful with the volume fundas. So you need to be very careful, because if this is not able to sustain, that means it's gone. Alright, so that is where ACC is looking to be. Let's see Reliance now, my favorite. एक minute, I think I am in the wrong folder. Yeah, I was in the wrong folder. Okay, we need to see futures. I was actually looking at the spot. Okay, so now see daily is below 40, band walk. Okay, so this is the stock which is right now in the negative this thing, but look at where it has come to. Okay, so it's at the consolidation phase now. So this can be a make or break for it. Okay, so this can be the make or break of this stock. This is the range which needs to be seen, and if breaks down, it will be much more bigger breakdown. Okay, so this is where it can come down to. Around 1800 is what we can target for it. Let's see weekly where it is. So weekly is at 60 support and at price support. So hopefully this might help it, but let's wait and watch, because it's almost 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 black candles in a row. Okay, and it is still to break this 2050. Okay, this is a good support. If this breaks, we will definitely see some correction in this stock, and that means Nifty is also waiting for correction. Okay, and you can see very clearly here also it's a dark cloud cover so far, and if it closes below this 20289 or 2080, we have a bearish engulfing on monthly. Okay, so this is where the story is. Okay, we have got a dark patch in the favorite stock of Nifty. Okay, so this can be the last thing that you might not expect in Nifty, and that is the reason why I'm saying to hit a new high for Nifty also now, it will now need some news in the market which are not there. Okay, so we need to be very, very clear that we are being halted somewhere. Okay, so Reliance looks to me as a little bit bearish. So Ultra can let me write the view. Target worst. अल्ट्रा क्या है डेली क्या है there is a 7 bar PRD as well. So now this should be buy only above 4750. Let it break those resistances and then only you should buy it. Reliance shows bearishness, so daily below 40 and lower band. Okay, weekly at 60 and price support, and monthly currently dark cloud cover. Okay, so this can be the showstopper for Nifty as well. Okay, let's see Maruti. So see Maruti very clearly weekly at 60 resistance. Okay, daily also at 60 resistance, as well as price resistance around this levels. Okay, so if it crosses this, we'll have to see how it goes then. But right now it is at both 60 resistance, and monthly still is around neutral. Okay, so Maruti has got daily and weekly at 60 resistance, and monthly is neutral. Okay, so wait for confirmation on Monday. Hero Moto, that was one of the trade we had. So it's still a shooting star on monthly at 60 resistance. See this now, right? This has got. Can you see this open high same on weekly and see then the entire week went into negative? So if you see something as open high or open low on Monday, okay, that can be treated as that week's view as well. Okay, so Monday's open high and open low are really critical, and you can see this. See, it was a doji after bearish divergence. Okay, and then see this confirmation here. So Hero Moto has given us, it has closed the gap. Okay, it has closed the gap as well, and now it is here. So this we can see 3000 yet approaching. Okay, it's not far away, and it's a doji at 40. It's a doji at 40. So let's wait and watch. Weekly has given signals, monthly is giving signals. Okay, let's see what happens. Okay, so this is still there. Okay, let's see the quickly other set things on this. हमारा बजाज क्या बोलता है? हमारा बजाज, see हमारा बजाज is also same. अरे बाप रे, शूटिंग स्टार पे शूटिंग स्टार है 3150 है, ये 3150 देखेंगे और शॉर्ट करेंगे. ये देखो इसको इतना सारा इधर शॉर्टिंग है, ये शूटिंग है, ये अभी ये अगर यहाँ से किधर जाएगा क्योंकि ये ऑलरेडी रेजिस्टेंस पे ही है. ओके, लेट्स सी same as Maruti, yeah? Same as Maruti. See this. Okay. Uh, hope you guys know the wedge formation, right? तो wedge formation में क्या रहता है? ये stable रहता है और ये inclined रहता है. Breakout can be downside. Okay. This is what it is doing. So this can be the wedge on RSI now. Normally we draw it on price. This can be on RSI. So let's see if it breaks above 60. It can be a momentum trade, but थोड़ा उसका possibility कम लग रहा है. Okay, looks to be more of short trades formations. And here also Bajaj Auto is almost all time frames around 60, maybe 55 के आसपास है. And also at good resistance. Look at this. See वो 31, 60, 31, 70 यही पूरा रेंज है. इसके लिए यहाँ पे वो ज़्यादातर ये है. Okay, let's look at Escorts. The Escorts has also got a big black candle at all-time high. Okay, it's a bearish Harami setup. Okay, because ये candle के अंदर में ये candle है, pro gap वाला वो भी. Let's see what it does. Then at 60 support. Okay, not bad. And daily around 40. So again, this is leading towards sideways movement and depends on where we take support. Okay, because currently it is showing 40, 60, 60. So this is looking okay for us. Okay, so Escort is looking okay. Let's see Balkrishna वो भी एक all time high वाला stock था जो वहाँ से नीचे आ गया है. Okay, so this is also now taking support at the price support here. Doji at 60, so this is still looking okay on the upside because if the Doji high is crossed, we can expect it to touch again this, but not much difference, huh? Not much big difference. And see, this is also dark cloud covering making. So we are seeing mainly reversal patterns on monthly now on many of the stocks, right? जितना भी देखा सब में हमको एक लाल कैंडल ही दिखा है उधर. So let's see now what happens next in November. But my view is we might see some fall. Okay. So Balkrishna Rekha and last iShare. iShare has got still a doji at monthly at price resistance. See, सब resistance पे रुके हैं. Okay. यहाँ पे ऑलरेडी देखो उसने डायरेक्शन भी दे दिया है वीकली में 60 भी ब्रेक कर दिया है और यहाँ पे भी वो 20 MA के रेजिस्टेंस पे है. So yes, auto sector as we were seeing it approaching 60 resistance weekly at 60 monthly is neutral. We might see some correction in this sector as well. Okay, let's see now the finance sector. बहुत भागा था. Let's see अभी उसकी क्या स्ट्रेंथ है. आहा क्या है ये और हम सोच रहे हैं बैंक निफ्टी नया हाई मारेगा. ये देखो आउटसाइड इनसाइड bearish divergence and wait for the confirmation. ठीक है यहाँ तक गिरेगा ये. तो ये यहाँ तक गिरेगा तो बैंक निफ्टी भी तो गिरेगा. Right, see it is clearly bearish divergence 77 and 69. क्या ये? See this. So daily bearish divergence 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 bar. Okay, and then two small candles already. And if confirms below 1230, okay, तो बहुत जल्दी confirm भी कर सकता है ये. And stop loss is 1255. So we have a trade on daily, by the way. I'll give you that trade. Oh, see here also 63, 63, 44. अरे वीकली भी बेरिश डाइवर्जेंस है इसमें. तो ये डेटा कैसे ऊपर जाएगा? Look at the setup here. Look at it's a magical setup. See, this is what it is. Monthly at 60 resistance. Weekly 3 bar bearish divergence. Daily 9 bar bearish divergence. This is a sector to be not left behind. Okay. Put खरीद के रखने चाहिए थे next week के. Resisted क्या होता है? खत्म थोड़ी हो गया बेटा. तू भी क्या लिख रहा है भाई? Okay. Let me give you trade for this, okay? Short below 1225, okay? I sell 1255 and target can be 11. Okay, so this can be a good, this thing, see 30 rupees ka risk hai and profit is around 40 60 rupees. Okay, so 1 is to 2 risk reward. Okay, it should. I'm also on daily. I'm on daily, yes, you can say that. Yes, 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 yes. बैंक निफ्टी विल रिवर्स, टॉप बॉटम वालों को टेंशन आ गया। अरे ठीक है ना, अपने अपना ऑलरेडी स्टॉप लॉस काफी सेफ है अभी। ओके, सो डोंट वरी ऑन दैट। ओके, सो ये एक बैंक है, लेट्स सी द सेपरेट बैंक्स। मिस्टर आईसीआईसीआई, मिस्टर आईसीआईसीआई इज एट 20 एम रेजिस्टेंस। ओहो, ये भी 60 और अपर बैंड और गैप, ये देखो इतना बड़ा गैप तो कौन लगाएगा यार, छलांग लगाने के लिए भी स्प्रिंग चाहिए, स्प्रिंग कहाँ से लाएंगे हम? ये तो पॉसिबल ही नहीं है। ये देखो बहुत बड़ा गैप है यार ये। So we are at resistance and there is bearish divergence here also. See this. बस खाली कंफर्मेशन का राह देख रहा है सब। चलो डायरेक्शन पता चल जाएगा तो बहुत अच्छा है। तो ऐसे also looks into the same direction। किसी ने कुछ पूछा है क्या? Sir, HDFC Bank trade is for intraday or position? Positional only, no? Everything is positional. नहीं, 90 रुपीज प्रॉफिट कहाँ होगा? 1165 और 1225 है ना, 1225 ये शॉर्ट स्टार्ट्स, तो 1225 to 1165 ओनली 60 रुपीज नो। उसके नीचे और जाएगा तब तक देखेंगे, वी विल नॉट गेट आउट, बट यस currently I am keeping very good this thing. Let's see the axis, निरंजन को पगार मिलेगा कि नहीं। तो ये भी यहाँ पे ऑलरेडी रिवर्सल दिखा रहा है, ये भी 60 को रेजिस्ट कर रहा है और प्राइस को भी रेजिस्ट कर रहा है। हाँ, आके ये भी 542 तक ही आएगा। अरे पापा, ये सब देखो नीचे जाएगा तो खत्म कर देगा। ये एवरीथिंग इज अराउंड रेजिस्टेंस, ये प्राइस रेजिस्टेंस पे भी है, राइट। सो एक्सिस हो गया, एचडीएफसी हो गया, आईसीआईसीआई हो गया। एक ही अच्छा बैंक है वो कोटक है। कोटक क्या बता रहा है जी? कोटक तो ऑलरेडी नीचे ही दिखा रहा है, ये भी ऐसा ही है और ये भी ऐसा ही है, सब ऐसा ही है, सब अपर बैंड। और ये देखो ये सब गैप के रेजिस्टेंस के आसपास में है, तो डज नॉट लुक गुड। एसबीआई क्या बोलता है? एसबीआई देखो, ऐसे भी मेरे को ये पसंद नहीं है। पीएसयू बैंक आई हेट, 60 के रेजिस्टेंस भी है बेचारा, ये तो कभी भी गिरने की तैयारी में है, ये भी कुछ ज़्यादा है नहीं। और ये ठीक है, 2040 के सपोर्ट पे अगली बार बेरिश बुलिश रेंज शिफ्ट है, लेकिन ये कितना जाएगा ऊपर वो देखना पड़ेगा। सो सी दिस इज अगेन एट रेजिस्टेंस ओवर हियर, बट this is right now neutral. Okay, SBI is looking neutral to me. Okay, so bank nifty looks in danger. Okay, so for us it is good, we have got some direction so we can make good money. Okay, so that is where we are now. Let's see DRR, Mr. DRR क्या बोलते हैं? Mr. DRR ने भी 60 तोड़ दिया है, बहुत टाइम से तोड़ दिया है वो तो। सी इसका फ्लैग सेटअप अभी भी है, ये 50% के नीचे बंद नहीं हुआ है। ओके, सो ये फ्लैग सेटअप तो अभी भी है, जल्दी जल्दी कोई वैक्सीन ढूंढेगा तो फ्लैग भी बना देगा। आई हर्ड नाउ द वैक्सीन इज जून 2021, तब तक तो अभी ये कप वप सब धो के पीना पड़ेगा, अपने को तैयार रखना पड़ेगा नया चाय के लिए। ये चाय बासी हो गया अभी, इसका भी चांस है अभी थोड़ा थोड़ा नीचे आने का. Yes, so it's right now it may squeeze on daily. Okay, so if this breaks, see it has taken gap support ना by the way. तो सरफ सर वो टॉप बॉटम हम लोग ने बंद किया तो वो यही बेसिस पे था. So it was at gap support and I think you did good. ज़्यादा प्रॉफिट मिल गया और ज़्यादा लालच नहीं किया, नहीं तो उसी दिन वापस आपका शॉर्ट प्राइस तक आ जाता था वो. Right, so it gave you good money because it did bounce from this gap support. This is the support line right now for DRR. इसके नीचे it will free fall. Okay, it can come down to here. Let's see. So DRR gap support at 48.50 broken and we get the models. Daily squeeze. Weekly and monthly. Yet above 60, huh? Above 60 and weekly still has flat setup. So we cannot deny it because 50% of that candle is still not been taken out. Okay, let's see the other stocks. Oro, पा अमिताभ बच्चन क्या कर रहा है? अमिताभ बच्चन ने हैमर बना. अरे बाप रे, हैमर विद वॉल्यूम. See, this is really looking good, huh? Mr. Pa is looking good, but the stop loss is very far. Okay, so only if you want to trade in, I think, you want to take the risk of this huge stop loss. Okay, then only you can do this. The 748 का stop loss है उसमें. Okay, this is a very good thing at 40 support, as well as see the volumes in the hammer. Okay, it's higher than any of the volume so far. सीधा इसके तक वॉल्यूम है उसका और ये उसका वॉल्यूम है. Okay, so you can understand this is really looking good volumes. This can go till here to 856 तक तो दे ही सकता है, and my view is saying it can give you much bigger than that. So this is really looking good at support as well as with volumes. ये volumes 15, 20, 50 रुपए के लिए नहीं हो सकता है. Okay, the only thing is it is resisting 60 on weekly but at lower band support. Okay, so we need to see that, and also 60 resistance of doji around 60. Okay, so to be more safe, this again becomes your stop loss is same 748 or 750. Okay, yeah, buy in cash, actually buy in cash. That is what I would prefer. Okay, because that is what you should do. See, whenever the size are bigger, lot size are bigger, go for cash. Okay, but so this looks good to me. Okay, so Oro Dekha, Lupin is my favorite. I'm waiting for it for a good purpose. So Lupin also resisting 60 on monthly and forming a bearish candle. So pharma story is almost over. So Lupin is gone. Okay, Lupin I don't think now anywhere. Okay, so Lupin is also now in resting phase, and also I think Cipla would be. Okay, so Cipla is also in the same boat. VP is at 60. So इसका और DRR का same दिख रहा है structure. But look at this, shooting star on monthly. Okay, so it does not look that good to me as well. वो 8 बार वो सब मत देखो, बहुत दूर का चीज है. तो कब कंफर्म होगा मालूम है. कंफर्म होते होते तुम्हारा स्टॉप लॉस बड़ा हो जाएगा. वो सब मत करो। ओके, ज़्यादा दूर का मत देखो, स्टॉप लॉस रिस्क देखो, रिस्क कितना है, रिस्क का एपिटाइट के साथ यू गो फॉर इट, बिकॉज इट्स गोइंग टू बी वेरी वेरी ह्यूज रिस्क। इफ यू एंटर फॉर दिस टाइप ऑफ पीआरडी, योर एंट्री इज गोइंग टू बी, क्या रहेगा इसका ब्रेकआउट। ओके, सो ब्रेकआउट के लिए रुकोगे आप, so around 790 के आसपास या 795 के आसपास your entry would be there, and your stop loss is going to be this, इसका लो which is 795 का entry and 705 का stop loss, 90 rupees. It's too bigger stop loss. Okay, I would not take this trade. ये मैं सोचूंगा भी नहीं. Okay, so need to look into what risk we are carrying with it. Yeah, pattern is there. गया तो खुश होने का कि हमने जो सीखा है वो काम आया, वो चला, काम नहीं आया चला खाली। या तो यू कैन बाय इट इन कैश, इफ इट कंफर्म्स बाय इट इन कैश विद 90 रुपीज स्टॉप लॉस, वो चलेगा, वो 50-100 क्वांटिटी में चलेगा, वो उससे ज़्यादा मत करो इसमें। आई थिंक इसका 1200 तो लॉट साइज है, विच इज़ ऑलमोस्ट 1 लाख का नुकसान हो जाएगा अगर टारगेट की जगह पे स्टॉप लॉस हिट किया तो। ओके, लेट्स सी नाउ TCS IT फर्म्स। ओह, तो ये भी आ रहा है नीचे। अच्छा, पीपल आर वरीड कि यार ये बाईबैक देने के बाद नीचे क्यों आ रहा है। सिंपल है ना यार, इफ आई एम बाइंग एट 3000 फ्रॉम द मार्केट, आई विल ओनली नॉट अलाउ द प्राइस टू गो अबाउट 3000, तो फिर आप मेरे को क्यों दोगे वापस? यू विल गो एंड द मार्केट एंड सेल इट ऑफ, नो, and only after I have got my quantity at my lease only I will take it above 3000, because I want to finally make profit. So finally it will go above 3000. But when I don't know, when I want to book profit, then only I will take it above 3000. So you need to be very careful with this buyback stories and all. Okay, वो एक्स डेट के बाद ही ये चलना चालू करेगा, एक्स डेट के पहले कुछ नहीं होने वाला है। तो डोंट थिंक 3000 का बायबैक एक बार 3000 आएगा, अरे ऐसा थोड़ी आता है। ऐसा सब बाईबैक में आना लगा तो हो चुका ना। यू नीड टू बी वेरी वेरी केयरफुल। It will, yes, it has to, no, otherwise what is the फायदा to the to the promoters? Why should someone buy them at 3000? Right, so this is still looking good on monthly, but weekly it has already gone down and it can come down till 25 to 68. It can come down till here for support, so this is a good support line for it. तो ये स्टॉक और भी नीचे आ सकते हैं ये पार्ट तक, and daily shows 20 MA पे support and also this is what the gap is. तो वो weekly gap भी है और daily gap भी है, तो आ सकता है, तो यहाँ तक आ सकता है ये, and maybe 40. So wait for a bearish range shift over here for a good short for good money. Okay, so daily below 60, weekly bearish setup. Okay, and can come till 2565 for that support. Okay, monthly is bullish. Okay, so this we need to see how it is. Okay, IT golden sector is still there, so let's see a few more stocks. Infi क्या बोलता है? Okay, so Infi is looking good. It is at support and it is still higher. Okay, result day पे तो सबको लल्लू बना दिया उसने. It is looking still better, huh? No bearishness yet. No bearish divergence also. So this is more looking more better. And 1121. This stock is looking more better in the golden sector, golden stock as well. Okay, it's still a golden stock. Infi is looking good. NID तक किधर चला गया भाई? नहीं है क्या अभी इसमें? निकल गया? मिस्टर विप्रो किधर है फिर? नौकरी नहीं दे विप्रो रे, नौकरी विप्रो में चाहिए हमको। अच्छा, ये भी सेम है, देखो, it is at gap support already and that is where it is consolidating. तो मेरे ख्याल से इसमें भी बाई बैक है, राइट, 380 या 400 का। सेम है, ये सब स्टॉक अभी सेम ही रहने वाले हैं। जिसमें बायबैक है ना वो सोने वाले हैं थोड़ी देर के लिए। एनआईटी इज कोफोर जो थे चेंज हो गया। लेट्स सी माय फेवरेट। See, Mindtree is also gone down. So सब कुछ नीचे नीचे जाता ही जा रहा है। Oh, look at this, a big spinning top here, but no volume. तो ये टाइम पास है स्टॉक्स, इसको छोड़ दो। ये IT, I think I would only trade TCS or Infosys, nothing more than that, nothing more than that. हाँ वही 400 is the buy price, yes. अरे बाप रे। Okay, so let's see now. We'll see L&T because I know L&T is also doing good. Let's see first. FMCG sector is left. वो फटाफट देखने के बाद L&T देखते हैं. Okay, so Hind Unilever now. We have a shortfall already on this, and it is already, see, daily resistance 60. Okay, daily is at 60 resistance. Weekly sideways and 20 resistance, 20 MA resistance. And monthly it is getting confirmed as a bearish range shift. Okay, so we might see a bearish range shift here if this week also goes below 60, remains below 60, then this can be a bearish range shift. Okay, so let that be there. So one more soldier of Nifty is been wounded and it can bleed now. Okay, so Nifty, that's why is looking weaker. Okay, so Unilever is also looking weaker compared to its past. It's now monthly at 60 resistance and a bearish range shift. Okay, so I think I can copy the same thing. HUL daily resistance, this and 21st range shift. Okay, so this is what we can easily copy from here. Okay, so this is what it is done in this week as well. And it is looking weaker to me. Okay, there is not a right now a trade on it, but if the monthly confirms, it can be a good trade on the downside. So let's wait for it for next week. Let's look at Asian Paint क्या बोलता है, सबको लल्लू बनाया है उसने अब तक. So monthly it is not doing anything now. It has gone higher than this. Okay, so monthly is not there anything. यहाँ पे अभी भी है यार, ये 70 है और ये क्या है 69 है. ये अभी भी इसी बेरिश डाइवर्जेंस तो है ही इसमें. Okay, so I will still maintain my shortfall on this, but now the short will be higher. So now पहले 2015 था, अभी 2065 हो जाएगा. 2065 के नीचे you can go short and 2125 can be kept as stop loss. Any other, you can expect 1900 as target. Okay, so Asian Paint weekly bearish divergence setup. Short below 2065. SL at 2125 and target is 90. Okay, this can be a target. It's going to be a good target versus the SL. It's looking really good to me. This is where the price support is. यहाँ तक आ सकता है ये. Even it is showing some bearishness here. Okay, there is a bearish divergence even here. So let's see whether it confirms now and gives us the entry. क्योंकि बाकी दिवाली में पब्लिक ने कलर करना चालू कर दिया तो ये ऊपर भाग जाएगा, कमाई 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 करेगा. Okay. Now let's see LNT वगैरह. On closing basis, yes, it has to be always on closing basis. Okay, let's see LNT now. LT, LT is at resistance straight away. 941. बाद में इसको इधर भी है देखो. ये भाई साहब भी गैप सपोर्ट पे, गैप रेजिस्टेंस पे भी है, इसको इधर भी गैप है. चाहे पूरा एयरपोर्ट बनाओ, पूरा इंडिया इसे बनाओ, ये गैप क्लोज नहीं करेगा तब तक बाई मत करो. आई थिंक कुछ तो मेट्रो मेट्रो का भी कुछ तो उसको अभी नया ऑर्डर भी कुछ तो मिला है. पब्लिक वर सो हैप्पी फॉर इट. Look at this, where it is. 60 resistance as well. Weekly it is has taken 40 support and bounce from here. It shows some sign of like positiveness. It can come till 987 and then there is see इधर वापस उसको भी बड़ा गैप है वीकली पे भी. एंड अरे बाप रे, ये तो अभी भी 40 खेल रहा है, तो इसको तो टाइम है यार. इट नीड्स टू क्रॉस अबाउट 40. जब तक 40 के ऊपर नहीं जाएगा ये स्टॉक इज नाउ ऑन साइडवेज चैनल. This is still having some time to be bought in for investment. Okay, so LNT is still waiting. Okay, so I think that's it. Any other thing that you would want to know? Okay, so again, I'm just repeating 8th of November, there is going to be Bank Nifty options training, the intraday training. If you have anyone from your friend or family to do it, please tell them, right? You can recommend them for the same. Okay. भारती एयरटेल तो मैंने देखना ही बंद कर दिया है. तो उसने अपना कंफर्मेशन ही दे दिया कप पे तो रुला दिया. But now it has got some 3 bar bullish divergence on daily. See, this was that, and then it started to go. But see, it has been halted again at resistance. So 440, 450 maximum है. Okay, weekly में भी उसके पास कुछ नहीं है. Okay, weekly भी it is now at 60 40 resistance. So there can be a fall from here because it is also at price resistance. Okay, and monthly it is trying to make a come back, but let's see where it closes the month. Okay, उस पे हम डिपेंड करेंगे, but right now it is not showing any positive strength. Okay, and
Can we see Asapuram?
Asapuram I will show you. Wait, yes, Asapuram I will show you. वेदांता भी किसी ने बोला था, तो वेदांता भी ये देखो. वेदांता, अच्छा वेदांता का काम क्या है, ऐसे भी वो तो बंद हो रहा है, तो क्यों देख रहे हो ये. See, this is at trend line support, first support, golden trade है ये, and first CIP as well, monthly. So it's first CIP and everything. So Vedanta looks good, but क्यों बाय करना है, ये कैश में बाय करो भाई. ये सब चीज इसमें बाय मत करो, क्योंकि यहाँ पे देखो इसको रेजिस्टेंस है, गैप डाउन. वीकली पे भी वही है. वीकली पे 40 सपोर्ट भी है, ट्रेंड लाइन सपोर्ट भी है, बट साथ साथ में गैप रेजिस्टेंस भी है. आई वुड अवॉइड समथिंग लाइक दिस. मंथली पे वो गैप नहीं दिख रहा था मेरे को, लेकिन बाकी दोनों पे दिख रहा है, क्लियर है. मतलब जिसमें आगे चल के ही पथरीले रास्ते आने वाले, मैं वो रास्ते क्यों लूँ, जबकि इतने सारे केक वॉक पड़े, तो मैं केक वॉक पे जाऊंगा ना, ये सब क्यों चूज भी करूंगा. मेनी अदर बेटर ऑप्शंस देन दिस, सिंपल, राइट. एंड लेट्स सी द कैश स्टॉक जो मैंने बात किया था, आशापुरम. Okay, so Ashapuram, mainly why we are into it is it's a cup pattern. Okay, it's been breaking 60 after a long time. Okay, so this is one of the multi-bagger stock pattern. Okay, after multi-year, it is breaking above 60. And see, since then from 51, it has gone to 92. So almost 90% of return is it has already given. And now it is a doji at upper band on monthly. Okay, so I would still like to hold it. Weekly it is about 60. Okay, and there was a good hammer here at 71. So now we need it to cross 85, okay, for the another target of at least 108, 110, okay, and this is what it has been resisted right now. So 85 is resisting. Once it crosses 85 above this, it can be a buy because it will also go above 60 on daily then. Okay, so buy when it crosses above 60 on daily. This can be a good buy with a stop loss of this only 70. Okay, it looks good to me, and it looks good as the pattern as well. So something which has gone like this has retraced, और इसका retracement भी देखोगे तो बहुत कम रहेगा. So from here the rally has started. So if I count from here till here, it is at 38%. हक बनता है उतना तो, and right now it is resting at 25%. So now again it can come back till 91, 92, and above that it can give you new highs. Okay, so this is a good cup breakout and can be traded. So Ashapuram mine, that's why I'm tracking it every day. In fact, I took an entry at 80 rupees already. So if you want, you can also take the same thing. So 70 is going to be the stop loss. Jet also you can do. Jet is now starting operation, but Pravinji will not get the entry. Okay, it's just going upwards. Okay, so it's just going up and up. TTML, let me just check because TTML was long back. I don't know whether now it is still there. Tata Teleservices, yes. So Tata Teleservices is also moving up, but now there is no place to enter. So it took 40 support, and from there it has bounced. Okay, and monthly it is breaking 60. So this can be a good stock. Okay. So Tata Teleservices also can be a good stock to buy because long term shows breakout and small term will show about 7.25. See if this breaks above 60 and if it stays above 60 after the month end, this can be a good multi-bagger stock. Okay, and it can give you till 32, 33. So even TTML looks good. अरे बाप रे. Okay, Amar sir, you are stakeholder. That means you are holding stake in this. That means once I used to also trade penny stocks with this quantities. एक दो था जैसे गुजरात बिस्लरी, then Kaleidoscope I had 4 lakh quantity at 25 पैसा. वो सब चीज़ अभी छोड़ दिया है. ये सब penny stock से ये पता नहीं. But this pattern looks good. Okay. You should be watchful. If it goes above, hold. If it resists, exit. Simple logic. Okay, and last Apollo Hospital. Monthly looks bearish straight away. Shooting star. Shooting star followed with a bearish candle. Okay, but can take 60 support, and there can be immediate support here at 2000. And this can also take support at lower band. So yes, there is something in it, but now nothing. Okay, so be careful to short this now. You're already shorted, get out. Okay.
Said Ramco, no?
Ramco system now wait because buy above 570. Okay, so we had asked to get out also in Ramco. Now only enter if it goes above. ये कौन सा रैंक हो गया? सीमेंट नहीं बाबा. रेंको सिस्टम है, मैं भी डर गया. Okay, so this is see at the first bearish range of possible, huh? So that's why wait. See 541 it hit, and now it has gone down. So I would wait for a fresh entry only above 570. Okay, this is that 570. Let it go above 570. Then only we will re-enter. Okay, it's also see shooting star at the resistance. Okay, so better to wait now. It went from 386 to 541 and then it started to come down. So almost 520, 25. There was an exit and then wait for it to cross 575. Then you can enter for 800 as your target. Okay, 800 is around here. This is the next resistance. Okay, guys, so it's already overshooting by 25 minutes. Okay, means I should still hold. Yeah, you can hold. Yeah. So if it crosses 60, you should definitely hold for a good target. Okay. So thank you all, and once again, happy Dashera to each and every one of you. And there is again going to be Bank Nifty options trading on 8th of November, right? So you can spread the word. Thank you all.